Hello everyone, in this video how to create a shape with pen tool in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then create a new document and select right click on your mouse, click the pen tool, mode shape mode, fill color and stroke color. Again apply red color. Stroke size, press enter. Then example I make rectangle or square. Click anywhere, hold shift, hold shift, hold shift, adjust. And now make a shape. Again create a new layer, use rounded or curved shape, click anywhere, hold click, hold alt key, again hold click. That's it. And edit to this shape, select the direct selection tool and move anywhere. Adjust point, add anchor point and hold anchor point, move. Apply the same process. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.